say it's gonna be alright, that you will be home tonight, that we could try to love again. But I am scared to death that you don't want me anymore, that you will close the door. You say it's gonna be alright. Oh, tonight I wanna paint it big, erase all that is black. I wanna find the colors of our love again. I wanna paint it big, erase all that is black. I wanna feel the colors of your love again. You say it's gonna be okay, 'cause we've come all this way. Yet my heart is in pain, 'cause you're already far away. Yes, we could try to love again, but I know you already loved. You say it's gonna be right. Oh, tonight, can't we go back again and have the happy end that I know must be there? Let us go back again, erase all that is black, and fall back in love again. I wanna paint it big, I wanna paint it back, I wanna paint it back. I wanna find the colors of our love again. I wanna paint it big, erase all that is black. I wanna find the colors of our love again. I wanna find the colors of our love again. Wanna feel the colors of your love.